And now
It's raining and hailing. Welcome into the farm, the after school edition. And yeah, just walked outside. It's hailing. Check that out. Unbelievable. Thankfully it's not too big. What we were gonna try to do today is beat the cold weather that's coming tomorrow and frost, and we already got hail. What we're gonna be doing is covering a bunch of stuff. We gotta do it even if it's raining because we don't want to lose any of the crops. So let's rip and roll once I get a jacket or something on. About 3 minutes later and the hail has stopped, but it's still sprinkling. I hope it stops because we have to cover. First things first, we are doing the beans. If you want to make money off the crops, you gotta have them early and have them late when no one else got them. Delicious.
Get the things off there right now. Hose. Put one on each end.
Hurry up, man.
Hurry.
We don't got all day. This thing is messed up. This is crazy. This is a pain, this roll.
Wait, stop!
Hold it! Alright! Alright. Done with that part. Done with the hard part now. We have the harder part.
Fire looks like I got frosted.
Yeah, they got touched by it for sure.
You want to pull it over to that side.
Yeah, this stuff does a great job of keeping in the ground heat, keeps it on the beans, and really keeps us going in the winter. Thankfully, the rain is semi-staying away from us. I don't know if you can see it directly over there. It's pouring. I'm gonna go by where the action is, make myself of use. I had to run all the way over from there to grab our shovel that we forgot. There you go. Dan, put it directly on, like not quite directly, but almost directly on my hand. And then I'll be like, man, what are you doing? You lack a simple, basic life skill. And then I'll do it. Bro!
Just following boss's orders. You told me to put it on your hand, so.
What? You told me to put it on your hand.
I know. But it was supposed to be funny.
That was funny.
Well, not in a way that makes it look like we plan things every once in a while. What are you doing?
Putting more on that one?
Yeah, because you missed.
No, because
Man.
you told me to put it on your hand.
Man, you lack simple basic life skills.
Yeah, at least I don't get bad orders like you do.
Finally done with that side. Oh, that shovel is like way better. Isn't it better to be a little looser so that there's not as much contact with the colder air, the surface?
Well, you got some weeds in there, I think, so that'll help.
Yeah. So if you ever cover your stuff, leave weeds in there. No messing around, Dan. Not when we're supposed to be working. Ow.
Push the plants under, man. Right there.
Oh, it's hard when your brother's throwing apples at you. There's not very many people, I don't think, that really can cover their stuff. We have fresh produce, and so in order to have fresh produce comes at a cost, obviously. And that cost is hard work, but pays off. And the problem with working in the rain is my pet peeve. Wet boots. I love the comfort of these throw goods, but they ain't waterproof, which is fine. Most of the time I don't wear them when it's raining out. Faster. Slow poke. Finally you hurried. Man, Dad, what are you doing? Are you sleeping on the job?
Taking a nap.
Taking a nap, yep.
In the Garden of Eden.
In the Garden of Eden. No, we're actually obviously doubling it up because this stuff is so thin. Dude, chill out, man. That's one time we don't need you to hurry up. For Pete's sake.
Dan, come down here.
Run! Hurry! Man, how many times do I have to tell you to hurry up? Man, talk about slowpoke today. I feel like this is too long, but I also feel like it's right. My motto is better long than never. That long enough? It looks so much longer down there.
Wait. Dude, disgusting. Yeah, me, I'm not gonna load.
Guys, it's raining even more. It's getting even later. And I'm getting even more miserable. And my boots are getting even more wet. And I'm getting even more whatever. These weeds are getting even more irritated. Dan's going even slower. And I am too. Right? So, do you know what that means? We gotta go even faster. Ooh, got him. Wait, what? I think I just burned here. I need you to hurry up about it for once in a half an hour. And you just made the camera all foggy. Anywho, we're done. I don't know if you can see that beautiful sight of that poor man's greenhouse back there, right, Dan? Yeah. Dan finally hurried up, and he actually did some work for once. I want to congratulate him on job well done, and thank you, brother. Yeah, we're done, and I'm pumped because we got some good food lined up at our church's mission conference, international dinner. And I will see you guys whenever I see you next.